Uganda's prisons have been known for congestion, poor living standards, disease, and a chronic lack of essential services such as adequate health care and sanitation. The list of the wrongs that happen behind the gates of Uganda's prisons is endless. 50% of all prisons in the country serve only one meal a day, and even that one meal lacks the nutritional value that makes a healthy human being. The option for the prison service is partnership with development partners.
Most of our prisons are very small. The accommodation facilities are overwhelmed by sheer numbers.
But despite the unending challenges, the prisons have, however, registered great improvement in the area of human rights. Today, the prisons boast of staff who are more humane and adept to taking better care of prisoners. This is because over 1,000 prison staff have undergone training to change their attitude from that of punishment to rehabilitation. Human rights committees comprised of both staff and prisoners have been set up and new rules created to guard against human rights violations.
The auxiliaries had ceded a lot of power to them. Actually, they had abdicated their responsibility. We are now saying the categories are going to be no more, and the immediate supervisors are going to be our askaris.
Unlike before, when the Attorney General was liable for all human rights abuses, the policy has now shifted to holding accountable individual staff offenders. Some prison staff have been dismissed and others forced to pay compensation to inmates whose rights were violated. But the Uganda Prison Service says until the living conditions of inmates can improve, there will remain a huge gap to the enjoyment of human rights. Anna Tkunda, NTV Tonight.